Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. And I can't tell you what a beautiful night it is. It's about 6:45 and I'm driving north on I-75 to northern Michigan. And it's just gorgeous outside. Just beautiful. I'm gonna get to my destination after dark, which is good because I'll be stealth camping tonight. So I never pull in until it's dark because I don't want anybody to know that I'm there. I just got off the phone with my husband. He was checking on me, wondering where I was. He has my location anyway, but yeah, that's all I know. All right, guys, catch you later. Probably tune in tonight, yeah, when I get to my sneaky camping spot in the city. Okay, I'll see you then. Bye. Hello, everyone. Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous night. I know you can't see me. That's because I just pulled into my sneaky spot and I have to put my window covers up. But bear with me. I got here at 10 after 9 p.m. Sorry for all the crazy noise. I'm just trying to get this thing in here. I don't know if I told you this before, but I bring a towel, a dish towel, and I tuck it up around my my mirror because you can see in there a little bit. So I fixed that. I'll show you later. All right, we're going in the back. Cars are coming. Oh my goodness. What a thing in heaven. Can't see jack nothing. Oh my cats, let me get a light on. Where are my lights? 1 minute, people. 1 minute. Can't even see jack nothing here. There we go. Oh, here I am. Guys, it's me. Ta-da. Oh, it's not staying. Oh no. Let's see. Here. For a minute at least. Oh gosh, okay, good enough. Okay. It's been a day. It's been a 4-hour drive, but it's been a good drive. Whew. So anyhow, I'm here. Let's talk. So I went to the gas station, used the restroom before I got here, and pulled in, and I love this place. It's the perfect place to sneaky, stealthy van camp. And before I got here, what I did was I took all my my window covers and I put them next to each window. So when I got here, I didn't have to get them out and sort them out in the dark. Kind of that's what I did the first time. I don't know, I wasn't thinking. But this time I was like, yeah, no, we're not doing that. We are gonna do it the right way. So, as much as it was a pain doing it in the dark, it was a lot easier, I'll tell you that, right now. Having them all in the right spot. So anyhow, let me get all changed up and ready for bed, and I'll be back, okay? Okay, I'm back, all cleaned up, changed, ready for bed, washed up, face wash, whole body, brush my teeth, and we're gonna talk a little bit about hygiene and what's going on in the van here. So let me just turn the camera around so you can see everything that's going on in the van. Alrighty, well, I've got a couple lights hanging in here. Hopefully you guys can get the idea. Let me see if I can shine this one this way a little bit. But as you can see, I've got all the window covers on here. My curtains are up. You can't really see because they're black. I can grab my light and just show you here. So there are the curtains here and here. There we go. And all the windows are cracked, so it's really comfortable in here right now. Everything's tidy, put away. My jacket's hung up for the morning. I'll know exactly where it's at. I know where my keys and wallet are, just in case I get the knock. And just really all ready to relax. But anyhow, having those window covers in the area of each window was really, really helpful. And I'm glad I actually thought about that. Made it a little bit easier when I had to pull in here, because you're doing it in the dark, you know. All right, the fridge. It's 38. It's been running wonderfully. There's all my goodies. Have you guys ever had that Zevia or Zevia? This stuff is thebomb.com. 0 sugars, 0 fat, 0 everything. And it's fabulous. It's sweetened with stevia leaf. It's so good. You should try it. Okay, Jackery. Let's see what we got here, right? Down here, 98 right now. The compressor is not running, so it's only pulling 1 watt. But if the compressor turns on, I believe it'll be like 35 watts. Let's talk about these S-hooks. Those things are the best. I think I got them at Lumberjack by my house. I got 2 different sizes, these big ones and these little ones, but they work for everything. When you want to hang stuff up and you need a little bit of a hook, got that light hanging on one. They're the best. I utilize them all the time. Anyhow, everything's still under here. The bamboo chair, I'm not going to pull that out because I'm going to head out of here early in the morning tomorrow, so I'll leave that there. Got a campground reserved for the next few days. And all this other stuff will stay up. My toilet right here is ready to go in case I need it. And hopefully I don't, but I might. And inside of it, I think I have my little pea jar and my little pee-wee funnel thingy. I don't even know what you call it. Everything stayed really nice and tight. As you know, I had everything tied in over there. But yeah, everything's cool. Let's check out the temperature. I will tell you I'm super comfortable right now. All right, let's check it out. All right, I have a couple confessions to make. Yeah. So, do you remember I had this type of a indoor-outdoor thermometer? I'm not happy about it, but this is the 3rd set. I know. Why? Well, the one that I have a magnet on that goes on the roof, well, once I lost it going down a bumpy road. The first one, I don't even know where I lost it. The second one, I know it was down a bumpy road. And the third one was I forgot to take it off and I went through a car wash. Not good. Well, anyhow, yeah. So right now, it's 57 outside and 73 in the van. And it's really, really comfortable. So I think it's going to be great tonight. I don't think I'll need that heated blanket, but I do have it. Do you remember I bought that 12-volt blanket? But if I do, I'll plug it in. But anyhow, so on this the new outdoor part of this, so this is this is the indoor one, then there's a little one that's on the roof. I put these 2 heavy-duty magnets on there. I super glued them on there with some super special super glue stuff, and it's not going anywhere. But I'm gonna have to leave myself a note or some kind of reminder so I don't do that again. What the heck? What the heck? So anyhow, right now 57 outside, 74 it says now in the van, but I'm super duper comfortable. And another thing I did, I was really toying around with this for a while, is I narrowed down my hygiene bag to something even smaller. So I had that big square blue and white one, but it kind of allowed me to put a bunch of stuff in there that I didn't really need. So I was just bringing stuff like, I don't know, a hairbrush and a different kind of hairbrush. Why? So yeah, no, I didn't do it. So I ended up finding this in the basement. It's my daughter Phelan's. She has all these cool things because she travels all over the place. She's like a gypsy. When she was little, she wouldn't leave my side forever. Was a homebody, didn't like staying at anybody's house. Yeah, now you can't keep the kid in one place. She's not really a kid, she's 28, you know what I mean. But anyhow, yeah, so she is a gypsy and she's all over the United States and she loves to travel. So she has a lot of these different types of things. Well, anyways, I found this in the basement. So she was at the house the other day and was up in my bedroom and she saw this on my dresser and she said, "Oh, wow, that looks familiar. I have one almost just like that. I think just like it." I said, "Girl, it's yours." Yeah. So of course we laughed, but of course she doesn't mind that I'm using it. But anyhow, I streamlined what I'm bringing and everything's in here for my shower, my face, my body, everything's in here. Ta-da! So always tweaking the plan, you know. So this actually fits in my travel organizing organizer, that trunk organizer I have that I keep my clothes in. This fits in there, so that's really great. Anyhow, what else can I say? Everything's cool. I left really late today, but guess what? I get so nerve-wracked because I'm always afraid I'm going to hit a deer. Yeah, but they didn't jump out tonight, so I was really happy about that. That makes me really nervous. And what else? That's it. Everything's good. I'm excited to go camping at the park tomorrow in the next few days. So I'm meeting some people from one of my Facebook groups. I organized this event and here I am doing it. So I kind of like to facilitate events and organize stuff. But anyhow, oh, let's talk about how I brush my teeth. Yeah. So you probably wonder about that. Well, I did a video on that. It's way back in my video days. But I basically use toothpaste that doesn't have a lot of suds in it because all those bubbly business things are useless anyway. I don't even know. It's all marketing, whatever. But anyways, I just use that toothpaste and brush, and I have a water bottle. And when I'm done brushing, I spit it in here. If I had a water bottle, I would have spit in there. But this is my empty protein drink, so I just spit in there. And garbage is here, and that'll go out tomorrow. And then I take a swig of my water here, and I rinse my toothbrush by getting a napkin and folding it in like fours, and then pouring a little bit of water over my toothbrush on the napkin, and just patting it out on there, and then putting it back in the case. So super easy. And I took a bath in here as well, which was basically water and a tiny bit of soap, and I have my water jug over here, and I have this one here. So I just basically wet this wash rag down and cleaned myself head to toe, and I feel like $1,000,000. Anyhow, that's that. I think I'm gonna hit the sack, but everything's cool. I'll catch up with you in the morning. Right now it is 56 outside before I go to bed, just so you know, and 74 in the van. So we'll see how it is in the morning. But I'm gonna relax, and that is what I know. All right, you guys, I will catch you in the morning. Let you know how my night was. Hopefully I don't get a knock on the window. Yeah, I don't think I will. I love this place where I stay. It's the best place ever. And I can't give up my location. It's sneaky, stealthy. Yeah, so all right. Good night. I'll see you in the morning. Until then.